Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be teaching you a move called the wrist snap. Now the wrist snap is another beginner move. It's very easy and very simple. Now to do the wrist snap, all you need to do is two simple steps. Step 1 is learning how to fling your karambit like this, and step 2 is going into this forward extension flip back into your palm. Alright, step 1, from an underhand grip position, all you have to do is go into an extended position, clinch the ring of the karambit with your index finger. From here, this is in your control, all you have to do is swing it around. Now when you swing it around, you're swinging with your wrist, not like this. There's a reason we call it the wrist snap. Step number 2, all you have to do is once you've done one swing like this, leave it onto this extended position and then flick it back into your palm. Easy as that. So step 1 and step 2 together, we now have forward extension, wrist rotation, back into our palm. Let's do that faster. And there you go, you got the wrist snap. Now hold on now, let's not leave it at that. Now instead of just doing this, let's try involving some arm movement. So from here, we're gonna end up over here. 1, 2, and there you go. See, the wrist snap is called a wrist snap. It's basically because you're just snapping your wrist like that. Pretty much. And so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something new. I hope this helped you out. My name is Ryan Ross, and I'll see you in the next video.